Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got back from the store and went and hauled the load of firewood that I cut. Some of it's not so nice. That one had been eaten by ants, but kindling or burning, I don't care. It'll burn. There's some kindling. I took it all. It's all oak right there. There's some pine mixed in. That's BTUs. That is BTUs for heating the house. I don't care. I am going to heat our house this winter. So that's coming in. I'm going to unload it. And there's more where that came from. A lot more where that came from. So they figure face cord to a truck, and I've got it filled up pretty high. So I got a good, at least a good face cord here. And there's a little bit of wood up in here. Nice little pile. And then over here, I threw the stuff that was rotted. That'll be good for kindling. I'll split that with an axe. And some here that's small and dry. So, that's it for tonight out here. It's getting close to what, 8:30, 9 o'clock? I've got video work to do. So, I'll talk to you guys all later and see what tomorrow brings. Well, I'm pretty sure tomorrow will bring more firewood. I'm going to keep hauling. This is free for the taking. I'm going to be taking. Hi. Say hi. Oh, you're going to get all shy. When I came out, she's saying, hi, hi. Melanie's making dinner.
Pancit.
Pancit, which is noodles. She loves this thing. This is her favorite right here. And it's truly off-grid. Now over here, I've got most of the firewood processed that I brought home. All that area was covered. I do have a couple big ones here that I did rip myself a little bit lifting that one onto the truck, and it hurts. It hurts really bad. Hurts really bad. I don't think it's through, but I felt it rip. I physically felt it rip. It was not pleasant. That is a solid piece of oak, although it didn't look like it. When I went to lift it, that hurt. So that one's sitting aside. I'll probably hit it with an axe after I've healed up a little bit. And I've got over here, those I'll probably hit later on. There's not really worth splitting. The ants ripped that up pretty good. And about a face cord of firewood split and ready to stack. But dinner's almost ready, so that's probably it for tonight. But I'll keep going on like this until it's too late. I'll get what I can. We'll build up these wood piles and keep going. That is my primary goal until I get all the wood here, or my time runs out, or the snow falls. This is it. So there's going to be some summaries from now on. I'm going to try to get a lot of homesteading work done. Package came in the mail. And this means the completion of a project that I started and didn't complete. I like completing projects now, as so many of you are so well aware of. I always finish everything I start, don't I? There is a gasket, and there is a, I hope, oh no. No. That looks small. This is not good. There's a pickup tube, but I think it's too short. Oh, it said it was the same machine. Oh, it does not look right at all. I'll check it out. I hope it is, but it looks very little. Well, here we have the gasket. I did definitely... Actually, you know what I did? I pulled up the video, and I looked at the video where I had the carburetor held in my hand upside down, and I compared the gasket. So that is definitely got to work. That or I'm stupid. We'll see. Oh, I hope I'm not stupid. You will love it if I'm stupid. Okay, guys, well, I hope this works. We'll see. Guys, we're on the way home from a road trip, and I wanted to share with you the incredible colors of the night sky. Incredible colors. So beautiful. I wonder why he got over so far. There's 2 lanes here. So we actually decided to stop the car and look at this.
You see the birds, so perfect.
I know. You hear that? Look at that, huh? That's a fall scene, isn't it? But look at that color. I hope the camera really shows it. This camera usually does pretty good. The display itself doesn't show me, but the camera does pretty good. So vibrant orange, it's incredible. Alright guys, well, we're on the way home. We were just out on a road trip and just wanted to share this scene with you. I just thought it was really, really amazing. Really incredible. Well, I'll tell you what, this is a perfect close to a video. I had a few video clips going on throughout the week, and this is a perfect time to sign off and say goodnight. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I'll get this video up to you in the morning. Please like, subscribe, and share. And wait for the truck to go by. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Good night.